Boom there everyone! So today we're going to talk about rates, and what are rates? It's not the rate of exchange of a currency, it is actually the rates of the drone, the number of degrees per second as you turn. So what are rates and what determines a good rate and what determines a bad rate? Most of the drone pilots out there will tell you pump up your rates or change your rates, and they don't tell you a definitive. That's because every rate is different for every individual drone pilot. What's comfortable for you may not be comfortable for me. And we know like TDogFPV, he does this bang. He has his rates set on 1200. As for myself, I'm comfortable with around 667 or 670. And these are very personal to every individual drone pilot out there. Another thing that you want to look into is the graph of the rates, and you hear some people saying linear and some people saying Expo. So what's the difference between the two? Well, the linear is just basically a straight line and an Expo is a curved line. What does it equate? How the hell should I know? Well, a linear line will actually give you a gradual increase in your throttle or your turn, right? So in this way, if you were to roll, for example, and you will roll gradually, right? But for an Expo, it's a curved line, so you're going to roll gradually at some point of time as the stick goes further to the end point, and that's why you will turn much quicker. To tune your rates, open up Betaflight and go to Pit Tuning tab, and in the middle page you will find Rates Profile. So this is where you adjust your rates or make the changes, to increase or to decrease. This is where you can find the adjustments for the rates. And here we have the Crux 35 with its rate set at 670. If you notice the rates preview, you will see that the graph has got a more linear kind of Expo as compared to the next one, which is the Shogun4. If you really look into the flight characteristics, you will notice that it actually turns a lot faster. And this is the Shogun4 with its rates set at 667. And also the rates preview shows that it is more exponential as compared to the Crux 35. This one will give you slightly smoother movements for that freestyle juicy feel and more control on the sticks as you fly along or cruise along. And notice that the movements are less sharp and a lot juicier. So here's a video of the Crux 35 with the rates of 670 with slightly less Expo, and the Shogun4 with the rates of 667 with slightly more Expo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find that information useful. So do help to like and subscribe. It would really help us a lot. And till the next video, thank you all for watching and see you guys again soon. Ciao.